Imagine you are working with an animal and something just feels a little off. They are not making any noise, but you sense their discomfort or perhaps even their excitement. How do you interpret those silent signals, especially when a friendly greeting could quickly turn into a stressful encounter? Reading nonverbal cues in animal care involves a keen observation of an animal's body language, facial expressions, vocalizations beyond speech, and overall demeanor. You interpret these signs within their natural behavior patterns and their current environment. It is a critical skill that ensures safety for both you and the animal, leading to more effective and compassionate care. Animals cannot use human language to tell us what they need or how they feel. Instead, their primary form of communication is through these non-verbal signals. These cues are often instinctual and universal within a species. Understanding them is rooted in ethology, the scientific study of animal behavior, and it helps prevent adverse situations like bites or scratches. This knowledge reduces stress for the animals in your care, fostering a more positive experience for everyone involved. To begin reading these cues, start by observing the animal's entire body posture. Notice if they are relaxed and fluid or tense and stiff. Pay attention to their tail position. A high wagging tail does not always mean happiness. Next, analyze their facial expressions. Are their eyes soft or dilated, their ears forward or pinned back? Listen closely to their vocalizations. Beyond barks and meows, there are subtle whines, purrs, or growls that carry significant meaning. Note their movement patterns. Is the animal pacing nervously, freezing in place, or making sudden darting motions? Always consider the environmental context. Is the animal in a new or unfamiliar place, or are there loud noises or strangers present? Crucially, recognize the early, subtle signs. These often precede more overt reactions and give you time to adjust your approach. Finally, establish a behavioral baseline for each animal. Knowing their normal behavior makes it much easier to spot any deviations that signal distress or discomfort. Beyond the obvious signs, truly advanced animal care professionals look for what are called displacement behaviors. These are subtle, seemingly out-of-place actions an animal might exhibit when feeling stressed, such as excessive yawning, lip-licking, or sniffing the ground in a tense situation. Another fascinating insight comes from recognizing calming signals, particularly in dogs. These can include a slow, deliberate approach, head turning away, or a soft, appeasing eye contact, all designed to de-escalate potential conflict. Recognizing these finer points of communication can truly elevate your ability to connect with and care for animals, transforming you from a good caregiver to an exceptional one. Mastering the art of nonverbal communication with animals is paramount for fostering trust, enhancing safety, and significantly improving the overall quality of care you provide. It is not just about avoiding problems. It is about building deeper bonds and understanding their world from their perspective. It is an ongoing learning journey that turns careful observation into intuitive insight, making every interaction more meaningful and effective.